whatever it is might be actually more weirder and stranger than we've actually even thought about. Another theory would be that whatever is the origin of these things, they're being created for a very specific purpose. Like everything you observe in the sky or UAP or craft has a specific use, and that specific use, once it is done, they disassemble or they break that particular craft down. And as time has changed, maybe their mission or whatever their purpose has changed over time, and they have accomplished different purposes. We've seen maybe a change in craft throughout the years. And I think a lot of it has to do with like bias, like whatever's in the media or in the public domain at the time. That's why I was talking about disclosure there. I think when people have certain expectations, they tend to put those expectations on whatever they see. Even with the Tic Tac shape, when some might refer to that case with that police officer on the side of the road, it's all like an oval egg shape. So some of the shapes do seem to repeat, but whatever it is might be actually more weirder and stranger than we've actually even thought about. Like David Grush recently said that we are dealing with plasmoid beings, where basically what explain the orbs. That's the other thing about UAP. Are we dealing with living craft like, like the creature in Nope, or are we dealing with physical hardware? And crash retrieval sounds like we're dealing with physical hardware. That's why the phenomena is so strange, because so many things are encompassed within the phenomena. If you think about crop circles, you think about encounters of the third kind, you think about things in the air, you think about people observing orbs in their homes. Like the phenomena is so weird and highly strange, and it shifts and it changes depending on at the time. So it's really hard to put your finger on what you're actually dealing with. So it may be that if we ever do get to the bottom of it, that it might be multiple explanations to what we're seeing. It could be physical craft or vehicles. USOs and UAPs may be the same exact thing. And again, these things are maybe across medium. They go from air to water, and there's no limitation. And besides Jack Villet's explanation, have you ever come across a theory that explains all the shapes?